Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change lot size on MetaTrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your MetaTrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform loads and you can see your trading dashboard, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find various menu options and tools for managing your trades. At the top of the interface, locate and click on the button labeled New Order. This will open up the order window where you can configure all the essential details of your trade, including the lot size you want to adjust. Once the order window appears, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Symbol near the top of this window. This drop-down allows you to select which trading instrument you want to work with. Go ahead and click on this drop-down menu to reveal a list of all available symbols. From this list, choose the specific symbol or currency pair you want to change the lot size for. This ensures that any adjustments you make will apply to the correct trading instrument. Now look for the field labeled Volume within the same order window. This is where you can directly control your lot size. The volume field represents the size of your trade, and adjusting this number will change how much you're trading. You can either type in a specific lot size manually or use the arrows next to the field to increase or decrease the value. Keep in mind that different brokers may have different minimum and maximum lot sizes, so make sure your chosen volume falls within the allowed range for your account. After you've adjusted your volume or lot size to your desired amount, you're ready to execute your trade. Depending on your trading strategy, you can either click Sell by Market if you're planning to sell the asset, or click Buy by Market if you're looking to buy. These buttons will immediately execute your trade at the current market price with the lot size you've just set. And that's it. You've successfully changed the lot size on MetaTrader 5 and configured your trade exactly how you want it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.